Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to cancel Spendee subscriptions. To cancel your subscription on Spendee, the first thing to do is to launch open the Spendee application from your app drawer. After you're logged into the account from the main home page, tap on the More button at the bottom right hand corner. Now under Account, if you've previously subscribed for Spendee, you will be able to see the Spendee Premium option displayed right underneath your name. Tap on the Spendee Premium option and scroll all the way down until you see the Manage Subscription option under Other. Click on Manage Subscription and all of the subscription that you've made will be displayed on the next page. Select your Spendee Money and Budget application from the options and then click on Cancel Free Trial. Soon after you do that, you will be able to see this pop-up where you'll need to tap on Confirm in order to cancel Spendee subscription or free trial. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.